So guys, this is Ed Hiley's garden. Si Mami Pingni, welcome back to my channel. I'm gonna take a video of Ed's garden. He has corn here. There he is. How are you, Ed?
Crazy.
Oh, crazy. He said he's crazy.
Normal state of affairs.
Oh, you have to water that?
Yes.
The corn?
Yes. It's so hot and dry.
Yeah, he's watering his corn.
That's a first.
First time?
That's a first.
Wow.
I like your hat.
You like it? You can have it.
I don't want it. It's used. I want something new.
That's Ed's house there, down there. Huge house. Look at that house. I'm gonna focus it. Look how big it is. You got a nice roof on it. Okay, here's that's the mountains. It's a nice mountain, Ed. Wow. I water my squash today.
Yeah.
Yeah. So
Yeah,
that's,
mine is needing water too.
yeah.
Cucumbers are about, the vines are about shot.
Yeah. Mine is dead already, like 2 weeks ago.
I've been hauling water, which is not really recommended, but
Yeah.
it encourages shallow root growth.
Yeah.
But if you need water to keep the plants alive,
Yeah. Did you hear that, guys? You need water to keep the plants alive. I'm joking. I thought you have some watermelon.
yeah, Michael said you picked a.
Yeah, I did, and I said I'm gonna bring one for you, and he said, oh, he got watermelon. I didn't see any. I should have bring up one. That's the kale. That's his garden. Huge garden. And he got all the old machinery out there. That's his land all over here. That's huge. Say hi. That's it. I'm gonna put this on YouTube. Wow. 3 minutes. We're gonna walk down the garden.
Yeah.
What's that, Ed?
Kale, Brussels sprouts.
Where's that? Oh, Brussels sprouts.
These are Brussels sprouts. There's six Brussels sprouts here.
Wow.
A
Kale.
dozen or so cabbages and
Oh my God, that's so nice. Your cabbages is growing really nice. I'm gonna look at his cabbage. Where's that cabbage? Now I lost it. I could not see it clearly because it's so hot. There's the cabbage. Oh my God, look at that, guys. That's Ed's cabbage. And oh no. And tomatoes. The tomatoes, Ed.
try that one.
kind. Wow.
I'm not sure what it is. They're really good.
Tomato.
Some
I'm gonna try his tomato.
heirloom.
Mmm. And it's different color. See, the color is different color.
Yeah, yellow with a little bit of a streak blush through it.
Reddish thing.
Yeah.
Mmm. He is the only gardener here. There's a tomato. Oh, look at that.
Yeah, that came up from that was a volunteer.
It's a volunteer.
I transplanted a few volunteers.
Okay. So that's the volunteer tomato and it looks good.
It grew out of the compost pile.
Yeah. Mmm. It's so tasty.
You know what these are?
No. Squash?
Delicata squash.
Oh, delicata?
Yeah.
Oh, that one. It said it's a delicata squash. That's what it. There's a big one. Delicata squash. Wow, that's big there.
They were seeds left from last year.
Yeah. And peppers. That's his peppers.
Yeah, here's a hot pepper.
Wow. Look at that, how much fruit in it. Hot pepper, jalapeno.
I'm not sure
Is
what
it?
they are.
Oh, cayenne.
I think those are cayennes.
Yeah, I think it's cayenne. This one is cayenne pepper.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure. I didn't keep that closer records.
Yeah,
Here's jalapenos here.
those green one.
Yeah. Well, they'll turn red.
Yeah, this is jalapeno. Couldn't really see it because of the sun. There it is. Jalapeno. It's different than cayenne. There. It's so pretty. And this one.
These are cherry peppers.
Cherry peppers. Oh my God, look at that. Wow. It's so beautiful. So Ed got a lot of varieties of peppers. Oh boy.
These are ancho poblanos.
What is that? What's the name, Ed?
Ancho poblano, chili pepper.
Chili pepper. Oh boy. Wow. Oh my God, look at this. Inside there's a lot of fruit. Oh my goodness. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 in one plant.
These are Italian slicing peppers.
Oh my God. Oh, there's a blight.
You got something.
Yeah, mine too. Oh, look at that. Just gonna... Italian something pepper. Just look into. I think that's it. This is the same, Ed, huh?
Yeah, these are
The same one.
there's 6
6 plants.
of the ancho poblanos, and then
Ancho Pabla.
not really hot chili peppers.
Not really.
These first 2 plants appear to be different than the last four. I bought a 6-pack.
What is a bell pepper?
These are bell peppers, yes.
Bell peppers.
And see, you can see the difference in the first 2 plants here.
Yeah.
They came in the same flat.
Wow.
These are just starting to set.
Bell peppers. Mine too. Some of mine is like, look at the pepper. It's so healthy. Boy.
Here's a couple dandies too.
Huh?
Look at these.
Oh my God. Oh boy. That's so beautiful. Mine is still small.
And what we got up here?
Okay. I didn't see any.
This is more of the same.
The same kind. Ooh. Oh boy, that's a lot there, and there's 3.
These are.
Oh my God, that's yellow.
Yeah, these.
Wow.
I'm not sure what the name is. I raised some like this before, and they were called Yummy.
Yummy.
They don't get very big, but
They're yummy.
they're like a good snacking.
Tomato. Big tomato.
These are some kind of an Italian heirloom.
Italian heirloom. You got cracks, huh? They're really,
Well, we had a couple of rains that
yeah, it
made
makes
them
it
sort of
crack.
explode.
Italian heirloom. Mine, I got lots of tomatoes too. The one from you, from here.
These are brandy wines.
Brandy wine. I think it's like this, the one that I got.
Yeah, they're really delicate. It's
Brandy wine.
really hard to ship them, to transport them.
The brandy wine?
Yeah, they're so fragile.
Oh.
It's hard to get them from the garden to the house without.
Because the skin is so thin.
Yeah, the skin is so thin, and
Yeah. They're
the
small.
flesh is so tender.
Yeah, I like brandy wine because they're so meaty.
Oh, and they're so delicious. The
Yeah,
brandy
they're
wine.
so delicious.
That's another kind of an heirloom, and I didn't keep good track of what I
Yeah.
bought extra plants when I went to pick up my order, and I didn't keep good track.
Wow! That's a black tomato.
Yeah,
Look.
I'm not sure they're not like purple Cherokee. But
Oh, purple. It's not black, but purple.
yeah, so here we got
Like,
blossom end rot.
yeah.
They say that's caused by not
Coastal.
having enough water when the blossoms set,
Oh, is it?
and the tip of the fruit dies, and it doesn't migrate through, so you can eat around it.
Ooh. Yeah, I do that too with my tomato. He's eating the tomato. Mmm, yummy.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yum yum. I like tomatoes too. I harvested some of mine.
I had to replant
Your
cucumbers. The first batch I didn't get germination. I had one plant come up way after the rest should have been up.
right.
I planted those up there, and then this one sprouted. And
It had some fruits.
these are a smaller, longer cucumber. These up here are more slicing cucumbers, but
It's
they really
not like
suffered from the heat and the dryness.
yeah, that's what happened to mine too. They died.
Oh.
But I remember one time you got lots of cucumber. It came up here too. Yum.
different flavor.
Tomatoes. Kauna sa tag tomatoes.
My eggplants are
I got eggplants.
being assaulted by the
Bugs.
flea beetles.
Oh.
Perforate the. Just not enough time to do whatever you got to do to
Right. So this
keep
is what
everything is.
this is what he's saying, that it's assaulted by beetles.
Tiny little black, they call them flea beetles.
Oh, that tiny little black. I hate that kind. That's
Yeah.
what happened to mine last time. That's why I don't want to plant eggplant in my garden anymore.
Or if you
But he has
you
eggplant.
can spray. There's some organic stuff you can spray,
Mm-hmm.
and I use hydrated lime.
Lime?
Yeah. Hydrated
Ah,
lime.
okay. How about wood ash? No.
Oh, maybe wood ash and I don't know on the plants. I really
Right.
don't know. This is the kale
Kale. That's a kale.
that overwintered from last year. These are kale
Already
seeds.
seeds, yeah. So this is the kale.
Yeah.
And it has seeds already. I also have collard from last year, and it has seeds too. Ah, you have watermelon.
Mm-hmm. These are from some of your melons from last year or year before.
Oh, is that a sugar baby?
It appears to be a hybrid. It's got yellow spots like
Oh,
the
sun, moon, and star.
sun, moon, and stars.
Yeah,
Some of them have the spots, some of them don't.
yeah, that's the moon, the big one. I'm gonna take the. This is the sun, moon, and star kind of watermelon. I didn't find my seeds already, so and that's the moon. That's the moon, and the small ones are the stars. That's why they call it sun, moon, and stars. Why is it so small? I think this is ready.
These,
See, the tendrils are already died.
Oh.
Oh, it's already. It's still there. The tendril is still alive.
watermelon
Watermelon.
phase 2018.
2018. They should be really big because they're really big. (2018). And-
It looks like a hybrid between Sugar Baby and the Sun, Moon, and Stars. So we'll see.
We'll see. Well, I'm gonna bring you some of my watermelons next time. I still have more to harvest, Ed, like maybe 20 in my garden.
Yeah.
Yeah. And I give some to Bill, yes, one. To Bill yesterday, that one that's very sweet. And I already have one for you, and said, Michael said, do you have a watermelon? I said, okay. That's crazy. Then I put it,
It'll be, I don't know how long before it'll be
this one,
ready
yeah.
when the vines die back, really.
The
I got
vine,
them in late.
yeah, mine too. Some of mine are late. These are the watermelons, the green beans. And more going out there. Okay, I think that's all for the garden.
Oh, we got tomatoes down here.
Oh, he already harvested his
All
potatoes.
sorts of basil.
These are basil.
That's Thai basil. That.
The Thai basil.
And that's Roxy, red basil.
This is Roxy, he said. Roxy red basil.
And I can't remember what that is. It's got a really different smell.
It has a lot of seeds. Is that the seeds, Ed?
No, I just haven't had time to get up and.
Are these seeds? These are seeds?
Those are seeds, yeah.
Wow. That's a lot of seeds. And then you just have to...
It's a different smell, isn't it?
Mm-hmm. Like, not really basil or what?
This?
But it's a basil.
These are, I believe, peach trees that grew out of a compost pile last year, and I transplanted them. And I'm gonna try and set them out in the spring, I guess, probably.
Yeah, that's the peach trees he's saying.
And there's one more down here.
Peach. And what is that? Yellow nose. He got yellow nose. What is you call that? Oh, squash.
Yeah, these yellow squash.
Yellow squash.
Here. I bought 2 plants, and I had a bunch come up from seed from last year.
Yeah.
And I've been pulling them out. They don't make good squash.
Those are also squash you throw, I think.
Yeah, they're the ones. I had pulled some plants out here. There were 3 or 4 plants I left in there.
He said he pulled out all the other ones.
Couldn't just till them down.
Yeah. Me too.
Give the little things a chance.
I got lots of tomatoes now. They come up by itself. But they are those grapes and cherry tomatoes. Wow, look at that.
Ugly.
Ugly squash.
All sorts of warts.
It's a wart squash. Focus. Hey, you threw it away. You don't want
I
it?
should have a couple of pigs to feed with
Yeah.
the weeds and stuff that I pulled out.
From
I had
here.
garlic in here.
This which you mean the purslane? This the
yeah.
purslane?
Purslane, yeah.
Yeah, I love those.
You do?
Yeah, I eat them.
Well, you're a herbivore.
Yes, I'm a wink wink.
Well, that pile where the squash is up there, there's a bunch of purslane in there.
The
the purslane out of this.
is a fresh one? I can eat those now. Those he pulled out his squash.
The purslane up on the up by the corn.
Down there.
I tried eating them in the past, and I never found them that good.
Oh, you know I saute it with onions and garlic and put some oyster sauce.
You gotta put something on it because it doesn't
Yeah.
have much flavor at all.
Yeah. Here's the tomatoes coming up. Oh, we got the onions. What is this? Oh, this is your potatoes.
Those are potatoes. I gotta get them dug.
Wow. You got lots of potatoes. Tomatoes. That's Ed's tomato there. When I came up here before, it's empty. There's no plant. So what?
Blossom and dry.
Oh my God! Look at this fruit.
What's
Ooh, there are lots of fruits and tomatoes.
that? Oh yeah.
Wow. Well,
There's a half a dozen of 3 different kinds of tomatoes here. Nepal.
Nepal.
What's the other one? Rutgers. And these are Amish plum.
Amish plum. Wow, this is
I had
Amish.
these last year, and there were some of them as big as both hands together. We had a lot
Oh,
more rain
wow.
last year than this year.
These
These
are
four
Amish plum.
are from volunteers out of the compost pile.
This one.
Yeah.
They're really nice, good. Oh, my goodness, look at this. And tomatoes. Yay! Look at this tomatoes. Tomatoes, guys, tomatoes. Ed has a really green thumb. Green, 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 green thumb. That's,
And these are the weeds, the purslane, and some of the tomato tops that I cut
oh
back
my
this summer.
God, that's a lot.
Yeah.
Maybe I'll get some of your parsley and fry them.
And these were from some squash that I got from Lisa. They I don't know, might be a hybrid. They're big and round, and
The squash. It's hiding under the board. There's a squash.
yeah, there were a couple of squash that didn't survive storage during the winter, and so I busted them up. And
There's some of my squash and watermelon. They just grew back in my garden.
yeah,
I just threw the fruit in there and then they come back.
there's two different kinds of squash in here. You can see the difference in the vines.
There's two different squash. This is one.
There's
That's really a good squash.
oh yeah, there's some delicata in here,
Ah,
which I don't remember planting delicata in here, but
yeah.
I thought it was wolf and butternut.
And there's one. This is the same one.
Yeah.
There it is. Yeah. Where did it go? You can really hardly see it because of the sun. There it is. It came out. The squash. Sometimes it doesn't focus right away. Tomato. Tomato, guys. Tomato, guys. Oh my goodness. Look at this tomato. So beautiful. Oh my God. They're big. He got a lot of tomatoes.
Yeah, we usually can about 50 or more quarts every year.
Yeah. I don't. I just freeze my tomato.
A lot of people do. I don't have room in my freezer.
Yeah. So we're done.
If you want some purslane up at the other end here, Faye.
Yeah. Okay, guys. This is Ed Hiley. He's going down to the other end of the garden and getting parsley. And this is his garden. It's so huge. From here, that's tomato, bulb onions, potatoes, and more down there. Okay. Thank you for watching my video. Amping tanan, please take care of each other. See you in my next video.